Hello and welcome to the UltraCare Pro User Guide series. These are an exclusive series of videos created just for you so that you can get the best output from your UltraCare Pro products. UltraCare Pro is on the mission to help you out in gaining better results from your musculoskeletal aches and pains. I am physiotherapist Meghna Dave and I am here to help you out in solving your pain related queries. So if you haven't subscribed to our channel, consider subscribing and don't forget to press that bell icon so that you can get notified every single time we upload a new video. Coming to today's topic, today we are going to discuss about elbow pain. Many of you must have experienced elbow pain in some point of your lifetime. Elbow pain basically happens due to overuse of muscles around the elbow region. Overuse and extensive pressure coming to the muscles that surround the elbow region and the tendons also that surrounds the elbow region could be the cause of development of this pain. Most common form of elbow pain is called as tennis elbow. And the second other common pain is the golfer's elbow. The difference between tennis elbow and golfer elbow is that tennis elbow leads to experience of pain that is experienced in the outer side of your elbow. And golfer elbow happen when you experience pain in the inner side of your elbow region. The cause again is same and the kind of injury that has happened here is also the same, which is an overuse injury of the tendons and the muscles around your elbow region. This kind of injury can happen if you are involved in any sport activity which involves repeated and active elbow movements. Secondly, this could happen if you are involved in a profession that involves activities like writing, chopping, dusting, etc. Even if you are involved in workouts and do a lot of weightlifting without proper warm-up, you can develop this elbow pain, which is either due to tennis elbow or else golfer elbow. So what are the symptoms of this elbow pain that could happen either because of tennis elbow or else golfer's elbow? First, you will experience a dull aching pain around your elbow. Tennis elbow, you will experience this pain in the outer side of your elbow. And in case of golfer's elbow, you will experience this pain in the inner side of your elbow region. When you have tennis elbow, you will have pain while lifting your fist or else extending your fist. And in case of golfer's elbow, you will have pain while making a fist. Another symptom that you would experience would be pain while opening your fingers. You will also experience a kind of weakness in your grip, especially while lifting any object or doing your writing or else other physical task of daily living. Also, tennis elbow and golfer elbow can impact your performance and ability to do your day-to-day tasks smoothly. Now, the conservative method works very well in managing this kind of pain. So here are my top 5 tips that can help you out in managing your pain due to either tennis elbow or else golfer's elbow. Tip number 1 is apply cold pack, especially do ice massage whenever you experience this pain. Ice massage should be done for 3 to 4 times in a day for consecutive 7 days in order to get better results. Second thing that you can do here is take the help of electrotherapy modalities like ultrasound and TENS. Now, sonic TENS is a combination of these two devices, and scientifically it has been proven that when you apply TENS along with ultrasound, it helps in reducing the inflammation level, reducing the swelling level, and reduces the pain level as well. If you want to know how to apply sonic TENS for elbow pain, do ensure you watch the video. The link to that video is mentioned in the description box below. Coming to the next tip, wear an elbow support strap. The elbow strap helps the overactivity of the muscle when you are doing your day-to-day activities or day-to-day tasks. Hence, it is advisable that you wear this tennis elbow strap or else tennis elbow support strap whenever you are experiencing this pain for around 10 to 15 days. The next step here is to do some gentle pain-free exercises. Exercises helps in maintaining the mobility of the joint and prevent the stiffness that can happen post the pain has gone. The exercises should be gentle, pain-free, and should involve the normal range of motion activities. And last tip here is to avoid and modify the activities that is leading to this experience of tennis elbow or else golfer elbow. Activities, if you are doing is a part of your occupation, you can start taking multiple breaks and do some stretching exercises around your elbow region in order to prevent the overuse and ensuring a good flexibility of the muscles. In the late stages, you can then opt for strengthening exercises, especially for your forearm and wrist, in order to prevent repetition and recurrence of elbow pain. So friends, these were the top 5 tips that can help you out in managing your elbow pain, which could be because of tennis elbow or else golfer's elbow. I hope you find this video useful. If you have got any questions, comments, suggestion related to this video, do ensure you mention that in the comment section below. On that note, I will see you in another video. Bye bye.